Now that we've looked at the following three techniques, let's look at another technique in the divide and conquer principle called look for a tail ahead relationship. You can learn some verses by using the tail to head technique, where a keyword at the tail of one line is used at the head of the next line until it ends. Let's look at an example. 2 Peter 1, 5-7 says, "But also for this very reason, given all diligence, add to your faith virtue, to virtue knowledge, to knowledge self-control, to self-control perseverance, to perseverance godliness, to godliness brotherly kindness, and to brotherly kindness love." In the next video, look for contrast and comparison. You will learn how to identify conjunction and transitional words and phrases to learn some scriptures. For more details on how these techniques are done, click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe, like, share, and notification buttons, and leave a comment to help promote this channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.